Where has the COP28 summit recently started? COP28 means Climate Change Conference. Answer, United Arab Emirates. Next question. Who is the Chief Election Commissioner for the 2024 general elections in India? Rajiv Kumar. Next. Which country was recently added to G20 summit? African Union. Next question. Which city is associated with India's first Hyperloop project? Pune. Next. Which state was involved in the Supreme Court's recent landmark Vedic and Judicial Supreme Manipur? Next question. When was the Chandrayaan 3 mission successfully launched? July 14, 2023. Which sport is making its debut at the 2024 Paris Olympics? Break dancing. Next question. Who was the first woman judge of India? Anna Chandi. What is the newly identified disease recently announced by WHO? Disease X recently announced WHO. Next. Which country has the highest number of millionaires as per the Global Wealth Report? United States. Answer. Next question. Who in the Asia Cup 2023 India? Asia Cup 2023 India win. Next వచ్చేసి what reforms is the India government proposing under the One Nation One Election policy? Conducting all assembly and parliamentary. Which India recently win Nobel Prize? Chandrasekhar Balakrishna, Economics.